All right, we were let in on a little secret. This week's football game, Cosmo is going to do the third quarter break where he's pounding on the drums a little bit different. Normally he's on the field, it's awesome. This week, he's gonna be on top of the video board. So let's figure out how we can get it with the drone. So the plan is, we're gonna try to get, on Friday, the drone up right behind and record it. Potentially broadcasting to the screens.
Yes.
But if nothing else, just getting a really cool shot from up there and then wrap around the stadium for the full reveal afterwards.
Great. There is like a 15-second wait between when he finishes, gets off, till like we hit Turbulence starts. Because like for example, last game, he walked all the way to the 10-yard line to do the fire nets.
Okay, so that's probably where I would pull back. There we go. It's quite a ways up. It's a pretty cool view from up here. I wish it was sunset when this was going to happen. That'd be awesome, but don't have control over the TV schedule.
Cosmo, what do you think?
So the plan is with the drone, when Cosmo gets up on the platform, we're gonna fly it up, we're gonna set the route, so when it comes game day, the route's already set. It'll just follow that like a 3D dolly up into the air. As he's pounding the drums, we'll be down close and then just kind of pull away and reveal the stadium. So we'll see how that looks during the day, and hopefully it translates good at night. When Cosmo's hitting the drum, what is happening in the stadium? Is it still dark? Is it still black?
So what's been happening, well, I guess what happened at K-State, so where it'll flash on the Cougs.
Okay.
So it'll flash.
So there won't be any blue lights going on yet?
When he's clapping?
Yeah.
When we spotlight him, no, it'll still be completely black. The lights won't start going again until he drums.
Okay, great.
And then there's also a drone show happening.
Yeah.
How
is
far
that,
away
are they going to be over the field
They'll
here?
be over the field and the street.
Okay.
And then their safety zone extends until about midway, basically until the edge of this middle row of parking spots.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to take off. I think the test went really well. I'm excited to see how it looks at night. That's the only thing. So we're gonna have to put the drone up a little early, make sure exposure on Cosmo and the field is good. We have the drone show going on, so I have to coordinate with them and make sure that there's no interference there, make sure my flight path is good. But yeah, I'm super excited. I think it's gonna be awesome. Just taking the drone out right now to get ready for third quarter break, get all set up in position, and fingers crossed, hope it goes well. So since we can't fly from within the stadium, can't fly over the stadium, I typically just come across the street, set up, and fly from there. That helps me to be able to see the drone everywhere it goes, particularly with I just missed a touchdown. That's like the hard part about flying the drone and going and running back and forth. Sometimes I like to be the guy on the ground getting all the action. But sacrifices we make to get cool shots, that's why we have a team in there taking care of it. So they have it covered. So this is our RTK system, which basically, long story short, I'm probably working off of 20 to 30 satellites because I programmed the route up at the scoreboard. And without it, your drone on those repeatable routes are probably within 3 meters of accuracy. But with this, you're within like centimeters of accuracy. And so it really helps with those repeatable routes to be able to be super accurate with your positioning. So you just have to make sure it's level and that it's put in the same spot every time. I'll turn it on, let it connect while I'm setting up the drone. Did we get an interception or a stop? You never know out here. Oh, intercepted, there we go. Gotta try to get up real quick to see if we can get this other touchdown. Just gotta keep an eye on the time so I go up with a fresh set of batteries. Gotta connect to the RTK station. Okay, now it's connected. We're good to go. Taking off. While we're up here, I'm just gonna get some regular shots of the game, hopefully a touchdown. That's the hard thing with this drone. Like, it's unbelievable, but it's only 18 minutes per set of batteries. So you have to be pretty intentional with when you go up and when you come down. And there we go, got that touchdown. Love that. So thanks for the announcer telling us that there's 3 minutes left. So we'll wait for the kickoff. I'll take a photo of that, bring the drone back over, change batteries, and then we'll just get ready for the third quarter break. So I'm gonna shoot the third quarter break at 8K because I am shooting pretty wide and I'm getting as close as I can to the video board. But that way, video-wise, we can punch in as much as we need to and then kind of pull away from the stadium. I think I'm gonna go up. Okay, here we go. Let's hope that this works. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my route, execute, 3D dolly, upload flight mission, start. That is not the start point. I'm gonna have to do it manually. I don't know what the deal is, but that's not accurate. I don't know what's happening. I just went to my start point and it was not right. Okay, here goes Cosmo. So I'm just gonna have to do it manually. There we go.
That looks so cool.
That looked pretty cool. Now we'll see how this looks too. There we go. That looks cool. Now you can see the drone show going on too. All right, let's bring it back down so I can get down back on the field. Okay, so takeaways. I like how I'm all talking up this RTK system. Oh, I just thought about it. Okay. Oh man. You guys, I just realized, yes, I connected the RTK system to the drone, but I did not turn it on, so it was using the RTK system. That's why it was off up there and why I had to just do it manually. I don't know what I was doing. I wasn't thinking. Okay, lesson learned. I think the shot still turned out really, really cool, but next time I will remember to turn it on so I'm using it instead of just connected to it. So what do you do? Still a cool shot. I'm still super excited about it. I just had to fly it manual instead of having that path. I wasn't as worried about it after talking with the drone light show people. My main concern was, like, am I going to be interfering with them? But once they sent me their path, I sent them my path. I realized we were good. So I wasn't worried about doing it manually because I knew there was plenty of room. This is a lot easier when you're doing two people, somebody controlling the drone and somebody controlling the camera and the gimbal. But we're a little short-staffed tonight, so it was just me going solo. It was still good. So I'm excited to see the finished product and get it out there.
Century, doing something